Yeah, Jim again. We're talking about some shitty ass plastic ground effects covers. This is basically the trim panels on all cars. Old and new, it don't fucking matter. Plastic's the only thing that's changed is the type of plastic. This is like a PVC ABS combo. It's actually extruded with high pressure heat and steam and whatever stupid other ideas that the industry has. But anyways, the shit fucking sucks. Everything is broken. So the lady backed up into a concrete filled pole, the gas pump. It sits just like this down the side, just underneath the door. And you can see it actually, she thought she didn't do any damage. It rode up against the side of it. But then you see this nice scrape right here. There's a nice scrape right on the edge. But then you see it here. All the way up here. So that tells you one thing. That this shit flexed in. Which it did because I took it off. And you can see the body damage on the rocker panels and on the inside of the wheel well. So I got to pull the wheel well because the insurance company wants to see that clean because it's a visual thing. She also just tagged the corner lower edge of the front door, so I have to fill that and just repaint that blended in. But this is a problem. This, she hit so hard, it actually went like this and broke this. As you can see, there's a hole there and a big ass hole right here. This thing is shattered. So what you do is we have to fill this in. What I do, let's just put it this way, the 3M plastic body adhesive at any local fucking Napa is like $40 for a little skinny tube. Well, you don't do that. Okay, there's a better way. I've done a lot of these, especially the old flexible rubber plastic covers on the 80s cars. 80s cars were known for getting into an accident and their panels would survive because everything was made out of this extruded rubber plastic, and it was always forgivable when it got into an accident. I still own my first 80s car, and that has the wraparound all the way around it, which is a G-body. Those plastic pieces can be fixed the same way. What you do is you want to take as coarse grit paper you can get. This one happens to be 50 because I'm all out of 24. 24 is excellent. 50 just as well, but you got to do a little bit more aggressiveness with this. So what you want to do is you want to take this and you want to get inside here. You want to scuff the shit out of that plastic. Okay? It takes a couple of minutes to achieve what I want to do. And you kind of want to go this way and all around because you want to make like little nooks and crannies. Because what I'm going to use, and this, by the way, this 50 grit is pretty aggressive, so try the 50 first and then try the 24 if you don't get a good satisfactory result with the 50. So this is what I'm going to use. And then remember, the 3M body panel plastic repair kit is $40 fucking for like a, I don't know, 4-ounce tube. It's a joke. This is what we use. This happens to be the, I believe this one's the Weldwood, or the Permatex. Permatex makes one too, but this one seems to be pretty good. It's the plastic weld 2-part A and B epoxy kit, $6. This is $5.98. This shit goes a long way. Now this one is black, just like your ABS. It's the same color black as this. This is a extruded plastic container, receiver that they use it in. But this stuff is good for all of those plastics. It will get hot a little bit, so you want to mix this up in a little receptacle. I'm going to use the top of a can cover that I have right here, just a empty can cover. And I'm going to put a big dollop on that. Probably a good, I don't know, half an ounce or so. I'm going to use almost all of this because what I want to do is I want to push it into those cracks with a screwdriver. I want it to ooze out the other side because once that oozes out the other side, it'll kind of conform to all those little nooks and crannies, and then I can sand it off with a buzz wheel. And you don't give a shit what's going on in here, because this is your filler. It's your backing. All you care about is getting these nooks and crannies right here. This crack all filled up. Once that's filled up, basically sand it down smooth, Scotch-Brite over it, make it look the factory resistance of the color. Because this is, again, this is faded out. It's old. You want to do that. End of story. Let's get to it. I'll see you on the next one. I'm going to show it to you after it's done. I don't think you want to see it when it's mixed. Have a good day now.